Assalamu alaikum, student of class 4. How are you? I'm fine by the grace of Allah. Today I'm taking your 4th class BGS Bangladesh and Global Studies chapter 11 page number 56 lesson 3 and 4 will be discussed today. So student, be ready, taking your educational material, must take in your hand and give your attention to the lesson chapter 11 lesson 3, the Bay of Bengal. The Bay of Bengal is located in the south of Bangladesh. What is named Bay of Bengal? The vast expanse of water to the south of Bangladesh is known as Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal, area of Bay of Bengal 22 lakh square kilometer, average depth more than 5 kilometers. So besides Bay of Bengal, important place like Sundarbans, like Cox's Bazar and Kuakata is located. Okay, student, explanation about Sundarban. Where is located Sundarban? Answer: Sundarban is located in the southwest of Bangladesh. Okay, along the Sompi coast in the southwest of Bangladesh lies the Sundarban. The name Sundarban originated from the Sundari tree because this tree produces huge in number in Sundarban area. This tree can survive in the salty water. Student, you know the name of Sundarban is world famous, known as mangrove forest. What is called mangrove forest? The forest where the trees can survive in the salty water. Due to ebb and flow, water come in the forest and Sundari tree can survive in this salty water. This forest helps protect the coastal people from storm and tidal waves. Student, you know, in the year 2007, Cyclone Sidor Walker, and in 2009, Cyclone Ayla Walker, these two natural disaster, cyclone, our coastal countries are protected due to Sundarban are lies to the south of Bangladesh. Sundarban was declared as a natural heritage site in the year 1997 by the UNESCO. You know, UNESCO is a social organization. Its full name, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organizations. UNESCO look after natural heritage. At the same time, it also look after man-made heritage site of the world. Which necessary element are found in the Sundarban? In the forest Sundarban, there lie the world famous animal Royal Bengal tiger. Other animal, the chitra deer, wild boar and birds. There are many streams and canals flows through the forest of the Sundarban, which are home for crocodiles, snakes and fish. So Sundarban, the tree Sundari tree make the soil Sundarban very fertile. This is the explanation of Sundarban. Student, have a look another beautiful place of Bangladesh. Cox's Bazar is located beside Sundarban. Student of class 4, chapter 11, page number 56, Lesson 3. Second important element is Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar is the longest sandy sea beach in the world. It is situated Cox's Bazar district in Chattogram division. The length of the Cox's Bazar sea beach 125 kilometers. It is popular with tourists for swimming and walking. Behind the base, there are green hills and waterfalls. To the south of Cox's Bazar, the island of Saint Martin, the only coral island of Bangladesh, it is found in the Bay of Bengal. The distance of Saint Martin from Cox's Bazar Teknaf 48 kilometer. 48 kilometer distance from Teknaf. Student, another beautiful place, Himsori, situated 18 kilometer south of Cox's Bazar. It is famous for beautiful waterfalls. Another important sea beach, Inani Beach, is 30 kilometers south of Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar Sea Beach is a beautiful place to spend time on a family holiday. Student, another beautiful site that is located beside the Bay of Bengal is Kuakata. Kuakata Beach is located in Borishal division. The distance of Kuakata from Dhaka 320 kilometers south from the capital city. The name Kuakata originated digging well. The well was dug about 200 years ago. Which tribal people? The Rakhine tribal people came to this place and dug this canal for drinking water. There is also 100 years old Buddhist temple. In winter times, migratory birds visit large in number in Kuakata place. Kuakata is famous for two purposes. It is the only sea beach in Bangladesh where tourists can see both sunrise and sunset from the same spot. Because of the natural beauty, the place Kuakata is called Sagar Kanya or daughter of the sea. Student, in Kuakata, 100 years old, a holy place, Buddhist temple. It is famous for Hindus and the Buddhist communities. Student, from Kuakata, from Cox's Bazar, from Sundarban, short question, even broad question can come. So I must provide the question at last. Student, take a book, Math D check, page number 57. Sundarbans, related word, right side, mangrove swamps and Royal Bengal tiger. Here is mentioned Bengal tiger. Cox's Bazar, the related sentence, long sandy beach and waterfalls are found. Kuakata, migratory birds and Buddhist temple. I repeat, Sundarbans, related mangrove swamps, Bengal tiger. Cox's Bazar, long sandy beach and waterfalls. Kuakata, related migratory birds and Buddhist temple. So student, you must learn properly about the lesson 3. It is important. As a citizens of Bangladesh, you have to know about your country's beautiful place. Okay, let us move. Lesson 4, page number 58. Another beautiful sites of Bangladesh. This is hilly resorts. The mentionable district Bandarbon, Rangamati, Jaflong. Okay, Bandarbon. Where is located Bandarbon? Bandarbon is a hilly district situated in the north-southern region of Bangladesh. The highest mountain peak of Bangladesh that is located in Bandarbon, its name is Tajing Dong. The height of the Tajing Dong is 1280 meter. In Bandarbon, you know, there is another highest peak, second highest peak, Keokradang. It is 1230 meter high. It is also located in Bandarbon. In Bandarbon, there is another scenic, beautiful place named Timbuk Peak and Boga Lake. Even a waterfall named Shailopropat, which is located at Milansori. There are many Buddhist temples are found in Bandarbon, which is known as Kiang in their regional language. Student, the tribal people who live in Bandarbon are Chakma, Marma, Manipuri. Another tribal people live in Bandarbon. Now, Rangamati is a very important for the hill tracts people because it is the administrative place of Chattogram hill tracts. So Rangamati is another hilly region of Bangladesh. It is surrounded by green hills, forest and lakes. So question, what are surrounded by Rangamati? Which beautiful things are surrounded by Rangamati? The beautiful things which are surrounded by Rangamati, its name green hills, forest and lakes. The lake's name Kaptai Lake. It is a famous tourist place. The tribal people live in Rangamati. Chakma, Marma, other ethnic communities live in Rangamati. So student, you know, on the basis of population, like tribal population, Chakma first position, second position is Marma. Okay. If you go in Rangamati, you will find ivory jewelry and handmade clothes. By making this, they earn livelihood selling in the local market. In Rangamati, there is also established ethnic museum. There is also established hanging bridge. The picture in your book, it is showing the hanging bridge. Okay. So Rangamati is important for many purposes. Student, now Jaflong. The hilly area of Sylhet lies in the north foothill of the Himalaya. So question, where is Jaflong? Jaflong is lies in the north foothills of the Himalaya in Sylhet areas. It is the home of the Khasiya tribe. Student, Khasiya tribe are matriarchal based society, means mother leader. Mother takes all the decision in family activities, even social program, cultural program, all the programs are conducted by the decision of the mother. Okay, so in Bangladesh, there are two tribal people who is dominated by the mother. Its name Garo and Khasiya. Okay, So student, the Khasiya tribal people make their living by collecting stones so that the stones are carried by the Mary River. So the hills are covered with forest known for their beauty. So student, what is the economic activities of Jaflang people? The economic activities of the Jaflang people is collecting stone from the Mary River and sell this stone to the developer company. Developer company use this stone to construct buildings, roads, or any other social establishment. Student, now go to page number 59. D check Messing, Bandarbon. Related right side sentence, Buddhist temples. Rangamati, a related sentence, hanging bridge and museum. Jaflong, a related Khasiya tribal people. I repeat, Bandarbon, Buddhist temple. Rangamati, hanging bridge and museum. Jaflong, the Khasiya tribal people. Okay, student, this is your ending lesson from chapter 11. Student, you can write some related questions from the lesson 4 and lesson 3. So student, first question is short question. Where is Sundarban? Where is Sundarban? Answer, Sundarban is located in the southwest of Bangladesh. Student, you know Sundarban forest is connected with 5 districts. Southern part districts 5, it is connected with the Sundarban. The name of the district are Satkhira, Khulna, Bagherhat, Borguna and Pirozpur. Borguna and Pirozpur, these 5 districts are connected with Sundarban. Okay, another short question is where is Kuakata? Kuakata is located in Borishal division, almost 320 kilometers south of the capital city. I repeat, Kuakata is located in Borishal division, almost 320 kilometers south of the capital city. Another question, what is the meaning of Sagar Konna? The meaning of Sagar Konna, it is indicating about Kuakata, daughter of the sea. Daughter of the sea. Why Kuakata is famous? Kuakata is famous for 2 purposes, like sunrise and sunset both are seen from the same spot. For this reason, Kuakata sea beach is famous to our people. Student, which animals are found in Sundarban? You know, the animals which are found in Sundarban are world famous animal Royal Bengal tiger, Chitra deer, wild boar and birds. Besides, in the water of the Sundarban areas, canals and streams, there is found crocodiles, snakes, and fish. Student, Cox's Bazar. Many questions related to the Cox's Bazar. Okay, what is Cox's Bazar? Cox's Bazar is the longest sandy beach in the world. What is the length of Cox's Bazar? The length of the Cox's Bazar is 125 kilometers. Why Cox's Bazar is famous to the tourist? Cox's Bazar is famous to the tourist for swimming and walking. For swimming and walking, Cox's Bazar sea beach is famous to the tourist. What is Saint Martin? What is Saint Martin? Saint Martin is the only coral islands of Bangladesh which is located in the Bay of Bengal. So student, what is the distance of Inani Beach from Cox's Bazar? The distance of Inani Beach from Cox's Bazar is 35 kilometers. Okay. Student, now lesson 4, various short types of question from the Bandarbon. Which beautiful place are found in Sundarban area? In Bandarbon area, which beautiful place are found in Bandarbon area? Number 1, Chimbuk Peak and Boga Lake. Chimbuk Peak and Boga Lake is found in Bandarbon area. What is Kiang? What is Kiang? Kiang is named the temple of the Buddhist. Kiang is a regional language, or in local language, the Buddhist temples, the Bandarbon tribal people call Kiang. Rangamati. Why Rangamati is famous? Rangamati is famous for many elements. Number 1, for green hills, forest, lakes, especially Kaptai Lake. Rangamati is also famous for another things. Here is found the ethnic museum. Here is found the hanging bridge. Student, you write 2 broad questions from lesson 3 and 4. Explain about Rangamati. Explain about Rangamati. Another question number 2. Question number 2. Explain about the beauty of Cox's Bazar. Explain about the beauty of Cox's Bazar. These 2 broad questions are your homework. Okay. So I have mentioned many short questions relating to Bandarbon, Rangamati, Kuakata, Cox's Bazar and Sundarbans. If you watch this video again, I think your understanding will be clear about the chapter 11, lesson 3 and 4. So student, no more today. You must stay at home and maintain precautions that your parents inform to you, and you must complete your homework. You must submit when school will open. So next week, see you again. No more today. Allah Hafiz.